This is first video for class first year NCERT biology. Its first chapter is the living world. And biology, what is biology? Biology is, it deals with the study of living organisms like plants and animals. And the father of biology is Aristotle. And biology containing three branches. First, zoology. The zoology, father of zoology is Aristotle. And botany, it deals with the only study for plants, related to plants. And zoology, zoo means related to animals. To study the, it deals with the animals study. And in microbiology, you know microbiology, minute or microscopic organisms like bacteria, fungi, algae and viruses. So it deals with the microorganisms. In this branch, it's microbiology, and the father of microbiology is Antony von Leeuwenhoek. And the other field, today's it's very popular field, modern or molecular biology. And molecular biology, you know, molecules are a genetic material like RNA and DNA, and the nucleic acid, it's related field. It's molecular biology, and molecular biology further divided into two parts. First, biochemistry, and second, the biophysics. And the other field, cell biology. It's also known as cellular biology, and other name is organismal biology. Organismal means the organism formation on the basis of cell, and the cell, different types of cell found inside the body, plant in case of plant and in case of animals. You know, epidermal cells and fat cells and cuboid, columnar, etc. And in case of plant, parenchyma, meristematic, and collenchyma, sclerenchyma, and so on. And the other field, it's the developmental biology. And development in case of human body or a baby producing, and after production, it's changing the different gradual changing in the body. Its first stage is natality, and natality stage converted into childhood, and childhood converted into adult, and adult converted into adult converted into old age. The gradual changing in height and growth, and development related to developmental biology. And the other field, physiological biology. And physiological biology on the basis of functions. It study deals with the functional biology. And next field is environmental field or environmental biology. It deals with the environment, the different types of environmental factors like abiotic factor. You know, abiotic and biotic factors. Biotic factors only depend on living organisms like human beings and plants, and abiotic factors like humidity, rain, water, wind, soil, etc. And the other, ethology. You know, ethology, and it deals with the behavioral science. Behavior science means, and the animals or human beings, it shows different types of behavior, emotional and ecological, and the other sensational behavior, different feelings, it show the behavior are related to ethological science. And the other population genetics, it's depend on the related to population. And the human population means the gradual changing day by day or in year change. One organism converted into hundreds and thousands in numbers. And the ecology it's depend on the interaction. It deals with the interaction of abiotic and biotic factors. You know, aquatic ecosystem, and in aquatic ecosystem are maximum algae and produce inside the bottom region of the pond, and algae, it's also known as, you know, food chain, and related to food chain, it's ecological biology. Firstly, phytoplanktons, and phytoplanktons, zooplanktons, by the zooplanktons, and zooplanktons, the small fishes, and the small fishes, large fish. It's inside the pond ecosystem. It's a linear food chain. Means large fish for food depending on the small fish, and small fish depending on the zooplanktons, and zooplanktons depending on the phytoplanktons. It's a and survival of large fishes by for the external sources like light and sunlight and water and oxygen. It's a means related to interaction between two factors, like interaction between two factors like abiotic and biotic factors. And at last, sociobiology. It's depend on the social behavior.